Hello everyone, welcome to Under Visits. Movies about isolation allows for some incredible filmmaking and requires a small cast of actors, which in turn often results in a mesmerizing central performance. So here we are discussing top 5 isolation movies.
Leaving Serang working perimeter.
Moon. Moon follows an astronaut minor named Sam Bell, played that criminally underrated Sam Rockwell, whose blue-collar job involves extracting precious moon gas called helium-3, which promises to reverse the Earth's energy crisis. Sam is nearing the end of his 3-year lunar-based contract, which he has served all alone, aside from a very technological basic robot companion, voiced by Kevin Spacey. Moon is a compelling piece of modern sci-fi elevated even higher by Sam Rockwell's extraordinary layered central performance. The movie tackles loneliness and isolation with a very elegant touch. Buried. This psychological thriller follows a US truck driver named Paul, played by Ryan Reynolds, who, while working in Iraq, is suddenly ambushed and attacked and finds himself buried 6 feet underground. With no idea why he has been pulled into the terrifying claustrophobic situation and armed with just a lighter and a cell phone, Paul must race against time and try to save himself before he runs out of air or worse. Buried is very much a one-man show, focusing solely on Ryan Reynolds' Paul as he lies helpless in the coffin that could end up being his permanent resting place. Castaway. Following a deadly plane crash, Tom Hanks' time-obsessed system analyst Chuck Nolan finds himself marooned on a desolate island. With no way to escape and not much help of rescue, Chuck must use what know-how he has to find ways to survive in his new home. Robert Zemeckis' Castaway remains one of Hanks' best and boasts one of his most improvised performances, as he spends most of his screen time alone, carrying the movie effortlessly with his natural warmth and charisma. Though the movie itself may lose some momentum towards the end, you won't regret spending time in isolation, Hanks and his volleyball companion Wilson.
So long as you're here New Year's Eve.
Be here New Year's Eve, I promise.
The Lighthouse. The Lighthouse is the hallucinatory tale of two lighthouse keepers as they try to maintain their sanity while living on a remote and mysterious New England island in the 1890s. Of course, letting your mind run away with itself is much more likely to happen when you are hanging out with a ridiculously bearded Willem Dafoe and while living in a stark black and white world. The Lighthouse is certainly not for the faint of heart, but beneath the harrowing ordeal that dominates the movie, there is an oddly illuminating black comedy about a very unstable odd couple.
Keeping secrets, are you?
This will come as quite a shock to my
The Martian. Being alone does not always have to be littered with both physical and psychological monsters. Sometimes it is indeed possible to maintain a sense of humor about the whole thing, as the Martian's marooned astronaut Mark Watney goes to prove. When astronauts blast off from the planet Mars, they leave behind Watney, played by Matt Damon, who is presumed dead after a firestorm. With only meager amount of supplies, the stranded visitor must utilize his wits and spirit to find a way to survive on the hostile planet.
Commander, Marcus